Shopify, Woocommerce, or Moocommerce? Still undecided? In this video, we will look into the features and pros and cons of each platform. Get ready as we dive into a showdown between these three popular e-commerce platforms. Well, the battle won't be easy, as all three of them have different features and characteristics, but with the same goal. That is to offer their users complete support on how to manage their site, boost their sales, and be successful online. To sort things out, we will take a look at the basic requirements when building a web shop, and these are pricing, ease of use, design, plugins, SEO, support, and scalability. By the end of this video, you will be able to tell which of these platforms is best suitable for your e-commerce business. Without further ado, let's get started. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce solution that makes it easy for you to create an online store, accept payments, and manage your inventory, all from one single platform. You can design your fully functional online store with Shopify, which is a fully hosted popular e-commerce platform. And the amazing part of Shopify is that it is easy for non-technical users to understand and learn how it functions. This one is really a tough much, huh? And now let's move on to the purple corner, which is Woocommerce. Woocommerce is an open source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It allows you to leverage the most powerful content management system and use it to run an online store. WordPress is the most popular website builder on the planet, powering 43% of all websites. And did you know that it is even more popular than Shopify? Because of the open source nature of WooCommerce, you can customize every aspect of your online store and easily add custom extensions. Another tough competitor, huh? Last but not the least, let's welcome the green corner, which is Moocommerce. Moocommerce is a product delivered by AS in Norway. Moocommerce is built on top of the Woocommerce platform, which gives you the power of WooCommerce. And their custom-built solution on top of that becomes the Moocommerce product. Moocommerce offers the benefits of a super web shop with a wide range of functionality and to choose a pre-built theme from us to customize or not. Globally, WooCommerce is popular for its quality service that provides its client with a good WooCommerce webshop for a good price, and with a good package to run your business successfully. Well, it sounds like Moocommerce is an enhanced version of Woocommerce, right? Exciting match! Round 1 will be the battle of the pricing. Any purchase involves pricing, which is one of the most important factors. If one is expensive, then that means it includes all the features. And if one is less expensive, you're paying additional fees for those extra features. Shopify does offer a 14-day free trial that can help you to set up your online store and get familiar with its tools. There is also the existence of the Shopify Lite plan that starts with $9 per month, and it is hidden from their pricing page. But the Shopify Lite plan has very specific and limited features. If you're interested in selling only a few products here and there, then Shopify Lite will be helpful for you. But Shopify Lite allows you to sell on Facebook and your own site with the help of custom buy buttons. Users are most likely not interested in this plan as it does not offer you an online store website. Additionally, you will pay for the credit card transaction fees if you use Shopify payments. On the other hand, WordPress is 100% free, but hosting can cost you up to $10 per month. WooCommerce is amusing because it doesn't have transaction fees and it seems to be affordable. WooCommerce helps in running your online store fast and quickly. WooCommerce via WordPress helps you to provide thousands of free themes, and these themes are well fit with your business objectives. On the green corner, WooCommerce provides a customizable pre-built website that provides a head start to your online store. WooCommerce is a complete conglomerate of advanced features and tools that you can form your online store with plans that are completely under your budget. WooCommerce comes with the 3 types of plans: Basic, WooCommerce Plus, and Premium. The basic plan starts from $790 per month, and the WooCommerce Plus starts from $999 per month, and the Premium starts from $1,450 per month. Each plan has its advantages, and you can choose whatever suits you the best. But the most popular among all of these 3 is WooCommerce Plus. The features that WooCommerce Plus offers revive your online business to its track. To know more about WooCommerce plan and which one is perfect for you, you can check out the link here. Probably you can tell now which one you prefer when it comes to pricing. Get on your scoreboard and vote for who you think suits your business.